Hello, let's chat. Welcome back to Let's Chat. For those who have returned and for those who have come for the first time, I welcome you. So today we're going to talk about the supplement, vitamin supplement, collagen. I know in past videos I touched on it a little bit pertaining to vitamins to take during your workout. And I mentioned that collagen was a good one to take when you're working out because it helps at night when you take it to repair tissues and muscles that have been worked out, kind of strenuously during the gym workout. And it helps repair, helps you get ready for the next day workout. So I mentioned the kind that I take, which is a powder collagen, but I also have a tablet one. So I'm going to touch bases on that. But before I get into which ones I take, I just want to say the benefits of collagen. So let me just... So collagen helps support and strengthen bone and joint health. Again, when you're working out, you feel extra sore and stuff like that. You take your collagen at night, and by morning, you feel a whole lot better than if you didn't take it. Helps with glowing skin health and elasticity. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Boosts and balance gut health and support appetite control. Now, when they say gut health, because it's a big thing now, this leaky gut, especially if people that had to take antibiotics frequently, they say that that is part of the cause of leaky gut. Helps promote healthy, strong hair and nails. We all could use that. Encourages lean muscle and faster metabolism. Strengthens immune function and reliance, and aids in improvement of blood circulation. So these are all positive things that taking collagen can do for our body and our overall well-being, and that's what we want. Okay. So the attributes of taking collagen. Again, I mentioned, so it says as the older you get, the more collagen you need. Because it says, unfortunate biological reality, the older you get, the less collagen your body actually makes or produces. So by your mid-20s, you begin to decline on how much collagen your body produces. By 40, the age of 40, you are down 25% of what your body normally would make for collagen. And by 60, it has decreased by more than 50% of production. So therefore, the older we get, the more collagen we want to put in our bodies to help our bodies maintain its youthfulness and elasticity, its health, strong muscles, metabolism, because the older you get, your metabolism breaks down as well too. It's not as strong as it used to be. And also, as your body produces less collagen each day, your skin becomes less firm, your hair becomes thin, your joints, bones, and muscles lose their strength, and your digestive system begins to function less. So, the collagen that I take is this one. It's called Neo Soul. Let's put it where you can see it. So I usually take this at night just before I go to bed. I mix it with my pineapple juice or my mango juice or orange juice. I usually mix it with my pineapple juice though. I mix it in there and I drink it down. And this one is Neo Cell. And it says it's collagen type 1 and 3. Super collagen for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. This one has no flavor. And it says nourishes your inner beauty with outer super collagen powder. As we age, our body's collagen and gets depleted. which can lead to many common signs of aging, but our super collagen powder has been specifically formulated to support your radiant beauty from the inside and promotes your body's own collagen production. Formulated to boost with our hydrolyzed super collagen, helps you feed your healthy beauty and enjoy radiant, youthful skin and healthy hair and nails. And that's this one. The other one that I picked up is called Be Happy, Be You. Skin Collagen Type 1 and 3. Now this one, these are capsules. Well, gel caps. Let me just show you what they look like. They're actually shaped like little hearts. How cute is that? And this one I think is flavored like orange. I'm sorry, tropical flavor. They taste like orange to me. But, and this one also says promotes healthy skin. 9 gummy tropical pectin base. So, this one is gluten-free, vegetarian friendly. And I think this one was too. Let me just make sure. Where would it say that? Let's see here. Hydrolyzed bone collagen. Made in the U.S. This one doesn't say either way. Wait a minute. Let me just make sure before I count it out. No, it doesn't say either way whether it's vegan friendly. Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. Contains no soy, wheat, lactose, starch, corn, or artificial flavors. Gluten free. And that's all it says. Contains amounts of naturally occurring sulfate residue. It doesn't say whether it's actually vegan safe, but this is the one I take. I am not vegan anyway, not yet. I mean, I'm trying to work towards the better life, but this is the one I take. And when I don't feel like mixing, or I've gotten in bed, I realize, I didn't mix it, that I can just reach over, take a couple of these for the night, and I'm good. So again, that's my little information on collagen. I know I had spoke on it before and I didn't go too much into depth, but this time I was able to give a little bit more insight. And if you have any questions or concerns about taking collagen, there's a lot of information out here. Do your own research. That way, you've researched and you know what you looked up, and do you, boo. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by. We chat on Let's Chat. We chatted today on collagen. And I thank you for stopping by, visiting my channel. Time is precious, and you could have been doing anything with this time, but yet you stopped by my channel. So therefore, I appreciate you very, very much. You all be blessed, and we'll see you the next time on Let's Chat.